welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Mercy, and as you know, this channel it's all about
good vibes and positive energy.
We don't do
negativity.
Negativity is a no, guys. And if you're new here in my channel, welcome and subscribe. I want me to subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Tuwape seconds gapi? 3 seconds.
Subscribe.
3, 2, 1. Subscribe. Yeah, thank you so much. And guys, guess what? Today I'm with this way. Unasikianga beautiful. Unasikianga beautiful. Unasikia pretty. Unasikia cute. Yeah? Hey, I'm with this beautiful, cute, pretty ladies in my channel today. Oh, I'm so damn lucky. And I'll give them a chance to introduce themselves. Yeah, maybe start from here. Yeah.
You all know me.
Yeah.
And I'm happy to be back again.
Yeah.
Rizalonza is my name, guys.
Rizalonza.
Yeah.
Hey, guys.
My name is Jess. Yeah. My name is Carol.
Makrashi. Hey! Acha watu wapia wala they are single ama they are taken ama wako soko na vile soko ni chafu Watu wambie by the way, watu wambie ndio ukiwa hapo a viewer ujue. Unajua maybe you've liked one of. Watu wambie Rizo uko soko?
No, siko soko. Nilitolewa soko.
That
is amazing, guys.
Sorry. Just uko soko?
Nipate ni soko saidi ya grapes.
Oh my God.
Watu mko soko.
Masi.
Unajua tu.
Saidi ya waru.
Saidi ya waru.
Uko soko?
Saidi ya?
Ni sawa guys, umesikia wote wametoka soko.
Wewe.
Jessica ako soko na Masi ako soko.
Na Masi.
Mimi. So, guys, what we are going to do today, we are going to play, is it a game? We'll just be having fun today. And so it will be he's a 10 but hey, can't wait to know this. Yeah, he's a 10 but. So tutaenda hivyo tutakuwa tunaenda na line. Guys, please watch this video from the start to the beginning because I know it will be lit, it will be fire, it will be enjoyable, guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So tunaanza wapi?
Na wewe.
By the way.
You should start. Then
As an example.
Role model. I'm already your role model. Out there.
No, but she's not our role model. She's single.
Oh my God.
Oh, in that sector. Na hii sector ingine basi.
Unajua to main points.
Main points tukisonga.
Anyway, guys, hao wase walikuja kudiroast. Anyway, guys, let me start. Actually, we'll be just giving out of experience. So, I'll start. He's a 10 but. Najua atajijua. Lakini
Sema, spill the beans.
he's a 10 but he nags a lot. Calling me each and every time, texting me. Bro, give me space.
You don't like that.
Yeah, spend your attention mingi sana. Ati unanikola asubuhi, lunch time, evening, like nitafanya kazi yangu saa ngapi? Like
Gosh.
No wonder.
Like okay, like sipendi hiyo kuninag sana. Ati unanipigia simu kila saa. Okay, ni poa, you just check up on me. Yes, it's good. And no, like I'm busy bro. Kuna wale tu wase tu wanakushindilia. Yeah.
Let me go next.
Yeah,
it's like we are running on the different sides of the mirror. The other side and this other side. Cause he's 10 but can go the whole day without talking to me.
just enough, then in the evening tunakuja tunaongea. But see ile ya masiula, you are getting me like.
But what I mean by the whole day, someone is just waking up like a pillow and then going to work or doing
without communication,
without
Did
knowing
you just say
how
like a pillow?
Does your pillow say good morning to you when you wake up in the middle?
Yeah.
So that's just
Tano.
Yeah.
Like I guess yours nile hata si attention,
Yes,
communication.
Yeah, I love communication.
Oh,
If-
yeah.
if you
There is
don't
a
communicate,
difference. But there guys, there is a difference between attention
sure.
and communication. Yeah.
But me,
Me, I'm calling for a soap. Can you guys do a soap? Like, Mercy and Reza wafanye soap.
So as in
The two boyfriends wafanye.
yeah. But no, wait a minute to talk behind the camera.
behind the camera. But that was then. That was then.
Oh, that was then. Oh, the
Oh,
current
wow.
is.
That was then.
Haya, tuko wapi? Tuko hapa kwa West Trend hivi. Oh, sawa.
So he's a 10, but Luku ni moja. Mazishi wapi? Baby shower. Luku ni moja. Hiyo ni turn off bana. Hiyo ni turn off.
What if wewe change the
closet,
closet
yeah.
of the guy?
Like unambaya.
Unamchanua hivi.
Unamchanua.
Sasa shida ni aje? Every time unadadu kumwambia hiyo story, ako zile za napenda ile. The one.
What?
Piece of
That's a turn off.
That's a turn off.
Yeah.
Ako na nguo zingine lakini haiziva.
What?
Oh.
Ni luku moja.
Okay. Sorry.
Lakini kwa sasa.
Haya, Karo.
He's a 10. But he's every girl's boyfriend.
Oh my God. Flirting everywhere.
Yani, tunaenda na yeye alafu tunafika mimi niko others.
What?
No. Wako tu hugging every girl and
What?
wacha tu.
Kwa zile za imeenda.
Yeah.
It's gone.
Hivi ya
Mali ni ya umma bana.
What?
Acha tu.
Kai. Sawa. Too bad. So sorry.
Very nice.
But by the way, it's always so bad for a guy.
Yeah, it's a turn off.
Yeah, for a guy akwe too friendly with other girls and you're
know.
there. Yeah, and entertaining. Like inauma.
Unajua there's a difference between socializing
And being too friendly.
I know.
No.
Boundaries.
Bana.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Lane.
Guys,
Yeah.
boundaries is very important, more so when you're relating.
Yeah.
It's very important.
By the way, hapa guys ni ma points too. Ni ma hapa ni ma main points too.
Tukisonga tu.
Yeah, sikukosea nikiita hao madem. Yeah, Martin is a 10 but he's stingy. Stingy man for
Turn
me.
off.
Tano.
Oh
Hadi
my
kunipeleka date manze.
Wait.
Baki mnafanya nini?
Mnafanya nini?
Imagine. Kupeleka tu out
Out.
kubaia smoky. Smoky ni 35.
bana.
Guys,
Men
men
msikwe
msikwe.
Aki msikwe hivyo.
Msikwe.
Soda baridi.
Soda madi ya bana.
Na
Soda.
Hadi yo smoky.
Apeleke
Lazima
kule
uivishe.
ambience.
Aki that's a tano. I don't like. By the way, acha to discuss hiyo kitu ya pesa. Like, okay, hatujasema ati we can't date broke men. But me I always say effort. Ama nyi mnaona
Effort,
aje?
little
The
things
little
matter.
things matters. Si ati unaitisha Mercedes or something. But hiyo kupelekwa hata out once.
Hata
Matters.
mletea hata big daddy bana.
Hata mimi like guys, I hope you take points. Aya, so we are back again here. Yeah.
Back again to you.
Hey. He's a 10 but he loves expensive shoes, so I just hate how
Oh my god.
he wastes
Mercy.
money.
I mean, you should
That's
be
why
loving
uko
that.
soko.
Expensive. Like, I mean, like, why should you buy like 5,000 shoe working? And yet, like, una zile outfit ati mingi hivi, like, ni kiatu tu, unaona? Like, mi naona, nasema, at least balance. Ubai manguo na pia viatu. Yani,
But so long
bro,
as ako na nguo.
si,
Mbona mnavaa?
anasema the same shirt but
Viatu ni
he has
different.
many shoes ati shura yake iko wapi sijui pesa ngapi ya kishwani.
Lakini
But I bet there is always this like kila mtu anakuanga na kitu ana cling on. Kama ni earrings unapata msichana kuna earrings mingi the same way na that guy. Maybe you should understand.
But you 10k in 2 pairs of
when you see someone spending like 5,000 on shoes,
You're like
that 5,000 if we are given as ladies we can really
That's
buy.
why
That's the
man.
whole shoe rack.
That's why
the whole
it's
shoe
hurting
rack.
me.
Because our shoes are always 350. Yeah, so
but pia nyinyi wanawake ambieni men mnataka nini? Mara mnasema mwanaume ni kiatu. Akinunua expensive pia ni
like my point is you're using so much money on shoes. Like 10k 2 pairs. Na sio say
so long as he can afford that, no problem. So long as he doesn't like he's buying shoe costing 5,000 and then you're
Haizi
hungry.
lipa rent.
So long as he can afford it.
Okay, I agree.
Her name is Masikimani.
Hey, this lady guy,
The
this lady
Huyu.
is complicated.
Kimani.
Okay.
Kimani, you get it?
Ati Kimani.
Kimani. So he's a 10, but ego. My friend. Me ego, and then mimi pia niko na ego. So guess what?
Trouble.
In
the paradise.
Mmekosana lakini no one wants to apologize.
No one wants to go down.
No one wants to call, like the first call. No one wants to do that. So hakuna place tunaenda. Mtu mmoja lazima shushe. So he's a 10 but ego.
Lazima mtu mmoja akue na
Ego kidogo.
Sasa tulikuwa hivi.
Nyinyi wote mko what? Hiyo nayo ainge survive.
Yake inasema
Unsurvivable.
But men mnafaa kushusha ego.
Yeah,
Because
for ladies.
as ladies tunakonga na some
Atushushi
soft
anytime
spots.
tu.
Ukishusha
Yeah.
hivi kidogo tunakusamehe.
Obvious. Unaambiwa tu sorry hivi.
That's why they
Give
say
it
like
up.
aliniambia pole. He said he
Yeah,
apologized.
yeah, he
Yeah,
said
sorry.
sorry.
alikuja na chocolate.
Yeah, apologize.
Kama wire plastic. So, tuko hapa. He's a 10 but amejaza mapetko kwa vidole na meno za chuma.
za gold.
Chuma bana. Stainless steel. Si gold. Stainless steel. You are bana tano.
That's crazy.
Guy, that's crazy.
Unapata mtu ako tu sawa. Ni handsome. Luku ako nayo lakini mapetko meno. Tano.
Katai ni tano. Mbona umseme maneno ya chuma? Si ni chuma ya ile ni ya Yesu.
Guy.
He's a 10 but he's a perfectionist.
What? Yeah, okay. Terrible.
Mi inaweza amka tu lakini niko tu kwa bed tu. Sasa nitaimake. Okay guys. Peleka pole pole. Unajua kuna tu awe tu anataka tu vitu zikuwe zinafanywa hivi.
Yeah.
Bro, pole pole.
Nakuona penye.
Relate.
Bed.
Yes.
Lazy ladies speaking.
No, not even lazy.
What's laziness?
Perfectionist.
No.
Unajua perfectionist ni yule msi anataka kila kitu iende
Ikuwe
sawa.
hivi
Ati kama ni
chronologically,
breakfast
yeah.
inafaa kuwa 8. Kama
Iwe
ni
eight.
Kuamka
Yes,
si
and no.
Yes.
anakupata tena umelala ako like
like we should wake up at 8.
at this time.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
We are still
understand,
children.
like,
We are
Yeah. Ayo, Messi.
He's a 10 but he snores.
Oh.
Snores.
Sasa hiyo ni makosa ya nani?
Si makosa yake. Si makosa yake.
Makosa ya Sanje. Yaani si makosa yake actually.
Mimi na feel
Si makosa yake.
shida.
Akiwa si makosa yake basi.
Hata kama si yake.
Control, si ndio?
Sasa nikose kulala
Guy boy. Okay. I feel you.
I know, I feel you, man.
Aki, so sorry.
A
Okay.
moment of silence.
Okay for him. Hiya, it's me. He's a 10 but he's so obsessed with football. A lot.
Oh, say that again, Mercy.
Yeah, he's a 10 actually, but he's so obsessed with football.
Louder.
Right.
Louder.
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 It's correct. Aki man, wow.
Watch football.
Si watch football.
wasifanye
Kuna
nini?
watching football and
And
he
he's
was obsessed.
So how does obsession look like?
Like obsession is like status,
Footer.
DP.
Footer.
But that's not a problem.
Like hapo tu zile za ni amwelewi.
Mimi nakuget.
Unaniget?
Mimi nakuget, man.
Like, kila kitu is all about football. Pia time yake ako huko sijui kwa hizo maps, football. Saa
Na kama
zingine
ni hobby,
PS,
kama ni
sijui
hobby.
ni ai hobby kila saa 24/7.
Okay, I have a question. I have a question.
hadi ile ya kupea time.
Okay,
Hata
maybe-
si
maybe
time.
useme
Hapo
hivyo,
ndio
lakini
useme.
kama nakupea attention na nakupea everything you need na bado ako into football.
Obviously hakuna vile msi anaweza
Mbona
kuwa
mimi
obsessed.
nikuwa second wife?
Yani ameprioritize
Let me
Yeah,
tell you
well,
something.
because
If you
I'm
find a
not-
guy who loves football, you'll be the second love. after
Imagine.
That's a fact.
But the thing is, like, some people love football, so they create time for football and they also create time for you. But that's better.
Plus, you should not show a girl that football comes first. Hata kama it comes first na ninajua, hiyo najua, mimi usinionyeshe bro. Like
So unataka tu balance kila kitu. Wewe na
no,
football.
like we balance,
Yeah.
but see, we also have hobbies. Like I also love doing something, but niko too obsessed. Like we jua tu kubalance. Like usifanye mimi nimesikia madem wengi wakicomplain. Yaani umeprioritize football ndio number 1, alafu number 2 it's the other people huku.
Not the other people.
Yeah.
Like
Me, yeah. But say niko soko.
Very important.
That's very
Yeah.
important.
Lakini inaweza kuwa hard sana yeye kuacha hiyo obsession.
So anaona heri ya kuacha tu.
Si ati analeta shida, si ati analeta, but hiyo obsession na najua mtaniingililia but this is it's spicy. Yeah.
Mbona the first weeks atuonangi hivyo?
Si
Obsession.
wanaanza kuonyesha after. Yeah.
Wiki za kwanza
That's you're feeling me.
No,
Just guys not
don't want
feeling
money.
me.
Like,
Just
you
guys,
guys are fan of
yeah, she's a
football.
Let them
fan
love
of
football. Let
yeah.
them love football, by the way. Me, I find no harm in loving football. So
Uko
long as they are giving you time.
soko just.
Asidi kutetea lakini wa. Tuko wapi?
Hapa. He is a 10, but he constantly talk about himself. Like every time it's, I'm doing this, I'm doing this. He doesn't even ask you like, what are you doing? He doesn't care about
Yeah.
it's like
Just
it's him every now and then
And
until
his
you're
plans.
like you're tired of getting
That's a narcissist. Ukishaona hivyo wewe
Narcissist,
kimbia.
yeah.
Kimbia
Ndio maana mko
mbio.
so
Guys, tulikimbia.
Wako soko hawa.
Well, that's a selfish guy. And
that's a-
if you just find someone talking about ni wewe. Narcissist. Dr. Love.
uongo. Sifuatilie ya huyu.
Wako side ya grapes.
So tuko hapa. He's a 10. Sijui mtaichukulia aje. He's a 10 but naweza sema he's a cry baby or he's too emotional.
Oh my God.
Like ni aje nitajaliwa 5 minutes nikikuja huku na nionyesha attitude.
Unafanya nini?
Unaonyesha attitude juu nimechelewa like 5 minutes.
What?
Mbona ukreate drama like
Guys.
5 minutes?
Wow. Sawa.
Ama mtaipatana na kama hao. Mmenyamaza nyinyi wote.
Tunashangaa.
Ama mimi ndio nimetembea soko sana.
Surprise gani ya soko?
Kwani ulienda ya vitunguu mnalialia?
Ulienda
Kazi ni kulia tu.
Kulialia, we?
Lakini nani ataka kuliliwa by the way? Mimi sitaki mtu ananililia lilia.
Guy, Charlie analia.
He should be a man.
Yeah, he should.
Man up.
Guy,
in as
unafaa
much as
kulia,
main
si-
point.
wewe ndio unafaa kulia.
Na si ndio?
So in as much as men, like we are human being, we have emotions, but
Showing
Kuwa strong.
At least that again there is
I'll cry to who?
Yeah.
You are the one who's sure. If you
That's
cry,
right.
where do I
So
cry?
mnaweza lia wote pamoja.
Wanalia wote. Wanalia wote.
What?
Yeah,
Guy.
so long as you're a man, be strong.
Yeah,
Be
be
strong.
strong. For your girl.
Sure.
At least.
Although we
But-
would show it, hata kama utaonyesha, unaweza ficha tu.
Yeah.
Time hayuko.
Sure.
But you can cry. You're allowed to cry.
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah.
We are all human beings. But
when-
not every time.
Simple things.
Ai.
Ai, huyo ndiye
Are you the
alikuwa
lady?
anakupenda. Hey, kulia.
Analialia tu.
Analialia tu. Haya.
Ulikuwa mama yake.
Karo.
Boy. Sijui lakini he's a 10. But man hajaokoka.
We.
I have no comments.
He's not born again, I mean.
What?
So I'm like, mimi niko church kule. Kwani unaenda church mara ngapi in a week?
What?
So
So naona ukienda church.
Sana.
mara unaenda okay, mara mbili za nini? Si moja. Uliniambia sana ulikuwa church na leo uko church.
What?
Getting it.
Huyu anahitaji maombi.
Hiyo hamna comment. Unajua.
Hadi kidogo. Niko na swali. Karo, you need a guy who is ameokoka. Ama si ule mwenye anakuonyesha like kuokoka yako it's something bad.
Ama mwenye anaelewa,
Eh.
like mimi nimeokoka, so hadi nikienda church time it's okay.
Mimi si
Tell me
aelewa.
what is the problem?
Akuwe ameokoka mwenyewe.
Oh, pia.
Pia. Harusi tunayo hatuna?
Tunayo.
Hatuna. Hey, tunayo bana. Karo
Hatuna.
na wedding in church. Guys, what? Aya. That's a new one. It's getting horror.
Okay. He's a 10 but he compares me to other girls.
What? Oh.
Heartbreaking.
Sorry, Mercy.
That's too
Sorry,
bad.
Mercy.
How would you be like
I
that?
relate.
Me already nishasikia machozi.
Sorry, Mercy.
Msifanye nikumbuke.
You're going to make me emotional.
Especially their eggs.
Oh.
Man, why?
I don't know.
Me, once you talk about your ex,
It's over.
in our relationship, it's over.
Yeah.
It's over.
Because
Go
why?
back to her.
Like, why should you compare me with her and you left her for me?
Ungestick na yeye.
Hey, my main points.
unless you are saying like you are better than you are better than
Yeah.
my ex. She was doing this and
I
that,
wish
and
I
I
met
did
you
that.
then.
Unajua,
I met you
even if
earlier.
it's so, hadi hiyo bado wewe inasaka.
But
Like every
that's
now and then
better.
ako like, hey, unafanya vizuri kuliko nani? Okay.
Mbona
Unashinda,
namkumbuka,
mbona
mbona-
ukimkumbuka? Hata jina yake ukumbuka.
hata jina sawa, namba sahau, kila kitu sahau.
But that's a lie. They'll tell you, unaweza sahau mtu hadi usahau jina.
Asimention basi. Assume basi. Hata niulizange yule dem alikuwa anaitwaje? Sikumbuki.
Ndio mnang'ania kukumbuka the both of you.
Tungangana kukumbuka.
Amen.
Niendelee. Kwa hivyo mko na main points. Sasa mtu asikumbuke ex wake. Guys, mshike hizi ma points zitawasaidia kama kwanza uko soko. Hebu sikiza hivi. Sikiza hiyo video utajua mambo. So it's me. He's a 10 but huko nje ako tu sawa, ako smart, but kuingia kwa nyumba my friend. Yes, I'm not perfect. Na si eti I'm dirty, but uchafu my friend.
Like uchafu in terms of?
Yani ushaingia nyumba like vitu zingine ziko chini ya bed,
Yani
manguo.
hako organized.
Hata si organized masi. Organized achana nayo. Like dirty. Like vitu zingine alivaa socks akaenda akanyeshewa.
Sufuria ya ugali chini ya bed.
Una feel disgusted. Hata kama is a man.
Someone just say sufuria ugali chini ya bed.
But kuna ile tu uchafu but huku nje hadi mtoweze ndani akikuona tu vile umepiga luku like me I believe vile uko nje ndivyo unafaa kuwa hadi kwa nyumba. So unaenda tu unashtuka what guys, ma socks chafu ziko tu hapo, sheets hadi sidhani ulichange lini yaki hata
wewe unangojea kuoa.
haya
Atapata mtu kama yeye tu.
Safi.
atapata kama atakuwa tu hivyo. Hadi akioa atakuwa tu hivyo. At least sisemi hata ile organized because men are not organized. But clean. Some but most
Area
men
kose
are
kuwa
not
organized.
organized. Organized but clean. Wewe fua nguo acha nizipate hapo. Ai, sasa manguo ni chafu zingine ataweka. Yeah. Eri hivyo nilijitoa.
Hiyo ni kujikosa.
Ati
Hauna regrets.
ai sina regrets juu
He's calm, but he's rigid. Do
Rigid.
you understand the meaning of rigid? Like this is someone when he says something, he wants it to be like that. Like this is what we are doing and this is what we are doing. Like he's not flexible.
Yeah, he's not
anything.
flexible.
Yeah,
That's
he's not
the name.
flexible. And you know when someone is not flexible,
Hamwezi understand each other.
yeah, because we are different.
Yeah.
We are different and we have to come to
A conclusion
a
on things.
conclusion. Yeah. So if I'm this other end and he's the other side.
But you know some believe that they are the head.
No.
Silly shouting.
So that's the
Silly
thing.
shouting. Like most men believe that.
Yeah,
Actually
they
wanatuambianga ati sijui respect. Like
Okay.
they should act they are the
Respect
head.
and like when we are making decisions,
Ukue
I don't
part
think
of
if
it.
respect is
Yeah.
part of it, because I can give you your respect, but before we decide on something, we have to come to an agreement. Meaning, I'm having my own point and you're also having your own point, and then we can be flexible.
Huyo na act kama wale kuka wa kitambo. Unajua wale kuka wa kitambo hakuna mtu angewaambia. Angesema na ikuwe hivyo we.
So something kama you can't listen to my side of the story. I just feel there is nothing I'm doing in that relationship. I'm not
Definitely.
contributing.
So, he's a 10, but he cannot stand up for himself.
What?
What do I mean when I say that?
Financial.
That was your point. Like my point sio like financially ama nini. Ni kama for example, you are caught in a situation tuseme maybe like at a place of work. You are sure you did something the right way ama venye ulikuwa umeambiwa, but instead because you don't have that courage to tell out your ama to speak out your point, unaambiwa everything and kila mtu chenye anakuambia you just say yes ama you just accept. You are not able to give out your own opinion. So like unapata in the society unasuppressiwa tu simply because unaambiwa unafanya tu haiwezi kujitetea ama kujisimamia.
He's a cool guy. Nani ataolewa na huyo yake atamkalia? Akipataliwa. Akipatana na mkerenyaga.
It's over for him. It's over for Mary.
Hizo ni nini mnaongelea?
Guy, boy. Millie is so cool. Is it cool?
Yeah, it's kind of
And calm, maybe calm.
Cool and okay.
Coward.
You can be cool, but
It's not
you
more
stand
coward.
for
It's
you.
not
Your
yeah
points
tu
and
kujidefend as it.
Aki hawezi.
Yeah, anakubali tu venye ambapo boss maybe extend your time from 5 to 8.
But he's a nice guy. He sounds a nice guy.
Yeah. Kuna wasi tu kwa
But too nice to be used.
Guy.
Too nice to be used.
nice
Take
for you,
advantage
like
of
you.
Oh yeah, people can take
Yeah, tell us,
advantage.
did you ever take advantage of him?
Of course.
Why you laughing?
Sure. Financially, tulikuwa najua tu haizi ni nyuma pesa.
Oh, yeah, guys.
So just for money, angekupatia any amount.
Yeah, tu. Ebu sema namba yake. Ask him for a sister. Ask him for a sister.
What?
Tunapin hapo chini, tutapin namba hapo chini.
Naulizia sister yangu.
Sioni vizuri.